Dr. Cohen of the Spinal Wellness Centers at Heron Lakes. Today I want to talk to you about maintenance. If you look over here at our fish tank, what you see here, it's a beautiful, clean, crisp fish tank. You look at the fish, they're all happy, very photogenic. What you don't see is underneath here. So this right here is basically the inside of the fish tank. The reason why I'm showing this to you is because as long as this is very well maintained, what you physically see is a beautiful fish tank, a clear tank, and happy fish. But over time, if you don't maintain what's under there, if you're not maintaining what's happening in there, then this tank will start to get cloudy. The fish will become lethargic, and eventually, God forbid, fish will die. There's live coral in here. The coral needs specific filtration and specific food to be as beautiful as it is. Well, our bodies are the same way. We know how we look physically. We see ourselves in a mirror all the time. We go to the gym, so on and so forth. But we don't necessarily care to take care of our spine because we can't see it. Like a fish tank that needs maintenance of all of its pumps and the filtration underneath, we need to maintain our spines. So wherever you're located, if you're located in the Coral Springs, Parkland area, get your spine checked. Come get your spine checked here at the Heron Lakes Spine and Wellness, TSAWC. Phone number is 954-341-2256. Otherwise, if you have a chiropractor around you, get your spine checked, because when that filtration is not taken care of and it starts to get dirty, it starts to affect what you can physically see. Take care of your spine and it will take care of you. Dr. Cohen, the Spinal Wellness Centers at Heron Lakes. Have a wonderful day.